Breaking barriers, Adobe, Unity, and Nvidia redefining possibilities with generative tools. The combination of artificial intelligence, AI, and generative tools has opened up new vistas in the realms of technology and creativity. Companies such as Adobe, Unity, and Nvidia have emerged as leaders in leveraging the power of AI to reimagine possibilities across multiple industries. They are breaking down obstacles, altering workflows, and enabling unparalleled levels of creativity and innovation through their groundbreaking contributions. In this video, we'll examine how generative technologies are being revolutionized and how companies like Adobe, Unity, and Nvidia are changing entire sectors. Welcome to Stock Genius, where investing in generating and deepening knowledge is the norm. If you're new to the channel, hit like and subscribe for more content like this. To begin, consider Adobe. Adobe, a well-known software corporation, has long been on the cutting edge of digital creation. Adobe is transforming the way artists and designers work by incorporating AI into their creative suite. It is well known for its diverse range of created goods, and it has integrated artificial intelligence into its design tools. It is to automate repetitive tasks and provide intelligent suggestions and increase the overall productivity. Adobe's inclusion of AI-powered capabilities in Photoshop, their flagship picture editing software, is one of their major accomplishments. Adobe's content-aware fill tool makes use of AI algorithms to intelligently eliminate undesired elements from photos. Photographers and graphic designers will save time because they would no longer have to meticulously prepare photographs manually. Furthermore, Adobe Sensei is the company's AI and machine learning, or ML, engine that operates across the Adobe platform, including Adobe Experience Cloud, Creative Cloud, and Document Cloud. While Adobe Sensei can be found in Adobe products, video editors are more likely to encounter it in Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects. Sensei powers a number of sophisticated features throughout their product package. For example, Adobe Premiere Pro's Auto Reframe tool automatically adapts video compositions to accommodate multiple aspect ratios. This simplifies the editing process for the content creators, allowing them to easily optimize their work for several platforms. Adobe's generative tools are also applicable in other fields, like web and user experience design. AI integration in Adobe XD, their user interface and experience design tool, allows designers to swiftly develop interactive prototypes. Adobe XD frees designers to focus on creating engaging experiences by automating repetitive design activities and delivering contextual advice. Definitely, Adobe's intelligent design tools give creatives of all levels the ability to explore their artistic vision more efficiently. It is tearing down obstacles that traditionally limited the possibilities of digital design by automating tedious chores and improving the creative workflow. The second is Unity, which has long enabled innovation in gaming and beyond. This is a leading game development platform that has helped to democratize the gaming industry. Unity's inclusion of generative tools not only simplifies game production, but also opens the door to new sorts of interactive experiences by leveraging the power of AI to create dynamic game worlds, procedural content, and lifelike simulations. Developers can teach virtual avatars and build intelligent, adaptable behaviors by incorporating machine learning algorithms. As a result, gameplay experiences become more immersive and lifelike, responding intelligently to player actions. Another area where Unity's capabilities thrive is procedural content generation, or PCG. Developers may construct enormous procedurally generated game worlds with minimal manual effort. This saves time while allowing for the design of different and dynamic settings that keep gamers engaged and amazed. Unity's machine learning agents toolbox demonstrate the company's dedication to generative tools. Developers can use their ML agents to create intelligent agents capable of learning and adapting in virtual settings. The tools provided by Unity enable game developers to push the envelope, promote creativity, and enthrall players with dynamic, immersive gaming experiences. Beyond gaming, this technology has a wide range of uses, including teaching AI-driven robots, mimicking real-world settings, and even facilitating research in domains such as medicine and psychology. Finally, there is Nvidia. The business has been a pioneer in graphics processing, redefining realism and simulation using generative tools. Nvidia is revolutionizing the capabilities of graphics and simulations using technologies such as deep learning and neural networks. Their technologies like the potent Unreal Engine make it possible to create breathtaking images, realistic characters, and immersive virtual landscapes. The combination of Unreal Engine with NVIDIA's RTX technology allows for real-time ray tracing, a rendering approach that simulates the behavior of light in a scene. As a result, the images are extraordinarily realistic, with exact reflection, shadows, and global illumination. Furthermore, NVIDIA's advances in generative adversarial networks have accelerated the area of computer-generated imagery, or CGI. By learning from large datasets, GNNs may generate very realistic images and videos. This technology has been used in film production, allowing filmmakers to produce breathtaking visual effects and lifelike animals without the need for extensive hand modeling or animation. In addition, their tools have transformed the realm of virtual production. Filmmakers can construct virtual sets that merge smoothly with live-action video by merging AI-driven simulations with real-time rendering. This allows directors to visualize complex situations, make quick creative judgments, and cut post-production time and expenses. The accomplishments of NVIDIA go beyond the world of entertainment. Before spending money on physical prototypes, designers in industries like architecture and automotive design can visualize their concepts using generative tools powered by NVIDIA's AI capabilities. The design process is streamlined, errors are decreased, and important resources are conserved. The company is, without a doubt, empowering creators to bring their thoughts to life with unparalleled levels of detail and realism by lowering the time and effort needed for complicated animations and simulation. Adobe, Unity, and NVIDIA's work shows the value of collaboration in propelling innovation ahead. These companies are not only redefining possibilities in their particular sectors, but also creating the future of generative tools by combining their experience and resources. The integration of these technologies across different software ecosystems provide creators with a streamlined process. Adobe's design tools, for example, can simply export assets to Unity, or developers may use them to create interactive experiences. The graphics processing power of NVIDIA improves the visual fidelity of these experiences, pushing the limits of realism. The combination of these efforts has ushered a new era of creation, in which limits have been broken down and possibilities have been reimagined. The mentioned companies are at the vanguard of this change, enabling individuals and businesses to venture into unexplored territory. As we embark on this transformative journey, the combination of their tools provides a look into a future where imagination knows no bounds, and the only restriction is the scope of our creative vision. Looking ahead, the prospects for generative tools are really promising. As artificial intelligence improves, we may expect even more groundbreaking breakthroughs, whose impact will be seen throughout industries, from augmented reality to virtual manufacturing, revolutionizing entertainment, design, education, and more. What about you? What are your thoughts on Adobe Unity and Nvidia's groundbreaking contributions to generative tools and AI? What impact do you believe the integration of AI and these tools will have on the future of creativity and innovation across industries? Aside from them, are there any firms or technologies you'd like to see covered in the future videos like this? We definitely would love to hear your thoughts. This is Tech Genius at Work. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos.